Mockups are such an important element for us designers because they enable us to create and present work in the best light possible. And Canva has many different mockups and ways for us to create beautiful crafted mockups. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go under the search bar. We're going to search for mockup. And as you can see, Canva already have 11,195 at this moment, but the library is ever evolving mockups and basically files that can enable us to do that. Now, there are also some apps which we're going to discuss in just a moment, but let's take a file, which in this case can be either this one or even this one right here. And as you can see, these ones are fully customizable. So the moment that we open it up, you can see that we have this amazing, beautiful picture, and we can essentially work around our mockup and basically have these elements attached directly to the image. So this is going to work pretty well, especially for mockups which are front-facing. However, there's going to be some occasions where you want maybe three-dimensional mockups or things of that nature. So let's take a step back and what we are going to do is we're going to go all the way down to the apps, and you're going to notice that there are quite a few mockup apps which are going to help you create really good looking mockups in no time. So we're going to explore this first one, which is mockups. So you can actually go ahead and we're going to use it in new design, and we're going to simply create a whiteboard over here. And we're going to notice that now we have under the apps section also mockups. Now this is going to enable us to essentially add mockups with a high level of interactivity. There's even video mockups, which looks amazing. And what we're going to do is we're going to select this one right here. So as you can see, we have our mockup. We can increase its size. And what you're going to need to do is, as they say over here, insert your image. So drag and drop any image into the mockup. And the easiest way to do it is from the Uploads tab. Now, on the Uploads tab, I have all sorts of different images. And say that I want to add this website right here. I can simply select it, and just like magic, this has been updated in the mockup. Now let's try one more time with another type of mockup. In this case, what we're gonna do is we're going to utilize a smartphone. So we're going to go over here and again, select smartphone, and we're going to utilize the elements, and we are going to simply go under the photos. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag and drop the photo once again on the mockup. And as you can see, we have this beautiful mockup which has been aligned in 3D. So if you need, for example, to add a mockup of a website that you just created or an iOS app, you can simply upload the screens into Canva, drag and drop them into your favorite mockup, and then you're going to be sorted out. And as you can see, mockup is also going to enable you, once you have selected the specific element, to either select fill, fit, and you can crop it as you wish. So you can really have a high level of adjustments over here. And also you can click on Smart Crop in order to basically utilize what Canva figures out to be the very best cropping setting, as well as any alignment options which might be useful. And you can also flip the mockup screenshot in this case horizontally or vertically. So everything is quite simple, straightforward, and easy. And I also want to remind you that there are all sorts of different other mockup apps which you can work around. Personally, I really love mockups because it just makes the world very, very easy. And when I do simply need more easier mockups in terms of the way that they're structured, I can simply go with one of these front-facing images, add a logo, add some graphics, and that is going to work also totally fine in a lot of scenarios. So there you go. Now you know how to create beautiful looking mockups in Canva.